Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Saeco Xelsis espresso machine. It comes to us with issues. It was kind of clogged from the spout and it was not giving enough foam. That's what the complaining when it comes in. So when I tested, I found kind of cloggage in the way for the foaming. The spouts and the machine in general needs a tune-up, so I did a tune-up for the machine and I replaced all these gaskets and the pin behind the brew unit. Give the machine 2 deep cleaning cycles and soak the brew unit, lubricate it again, and descale the machine with citric acid 2 times too. So let's go ahead and test it. I don't test the machines with milk. I don't have the milk to do that actually, and I also prefer to do it with the cleansing water, the milky cleaner. So let's go ahead and try to do the milk. Okay. Let's see how it works. This is heating up, so it needs some time. That's it, that works good. Let's try to make kind of, or pretend we're making like cappuccino. 40 ml. Nice, so the machine works perfect and everything functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.